Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and to my garage. Today I'm going to adjust my dip light because after the last video when I changed the dip light, of course I didn't adjust it. So now it's like pointing upwards and chasing for the birds. And that is what will happen today. Something else also. I have found a new problem. Of course, it's an old car, but I have a new problem. When I was starting today to do the video, I of course opened the bonnet and turned on the light to see how high it was. Then of course I heard a very loud buzzing sound. And of course I could locate it because it came from the light. And of course it's the auto adjusted headlight, the motor for the auto adjusted headlight that has it has broken. So now it's trying to adjust the light all the time, and the motor is running, so it's broke. I will let you hear it. Wait a second. It's a lovely sound. You can first see, of course, the you see this, the left dip light. It's a little bit high. We will adjust it. But now, listen at this in here. Very bad. You have the headlight here, and in here, where you see, when you open, you have the big lid with the headlight and the dip light. And behind the lid here, there is the auto-adjusting headlight motor, and that is broken. And I can't repair it. I need to buy and send for the part, and then I need to do the repair myself and change the motor. Well, it will be fun because this is very bad sound. But let's start with lowering the dip light. Of course, it's not very difficult at all. Actually, you can see here you have a adjustment screw. Same thing as you see here on the other side. Also, for your in here you also have a adjustment screw. But let's start with the real one for the dip light. Yes, and here you have the screw. I just take a normal Phillips and we start to lower it. We have to do it a lot because, as I said, it's looking for the birds. I can change the view. You have the, now you see both the dip lights, and now it's coming down. Maybe that one is actually a little bit too low. I see. But let's start with lowering the left one. Ah, the sound of the broken headlight motor is really annoying. Really hate that. Yes, now I'm happy with that. With the left. Let's just raise the right one. Is it leveled now? I think that will be good enough. As you can see, it's almost level. I should draw a line on the wall and measure so I have the exactly height, but never mind, this will do. Now I will turn off the key because the buzzing sound is really irritating. The car and very good. Yes. Next step now is I need to order the motor for the headlight. So I will come back to this and make a new video when we're changing the motor. This was a very short video today, but that happens sometimes. Thank you for today, and I hope you watch the rest of my videos and have a very good day. Goodbye.